Hey guys, thank you for coming back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome and join the family by pushing the subscribe button. And don't forget to like it. And if you find that this video was a good one, feel free to share it. Okay, so here we have our flower pot that I usually use in the summer, but I haven't used it in a while, so I decided to take it out and throw some black spray paint on it. I love recreating and making things that look new again. I think that's one of my greatest talents. So here I am spray painting the flower pot, and we're actually going to use it for the porch. And that's my husband. He is getting all the white branches out because we're going to put this as fillers in our flower pot. Now I have these white stick slash fillers for the longest time. Some of them I spray paint white and some of them I purchased them that white color. So the nighttime came down real quick, so we're actually racing with the time, and it was getting cold, and but it was fun. It was, it's always great to pull out the Christmas decor and just make magic and memories with my husband. So that's my husband Calvin there helping me out. He's filling up the pot, and yeah, it turned out so beautiful, guys. So just sit back, watch the video, and I hope you like it. Again, if you're not a part of our YouTube family, please subscribe. If you want to see more of our videos, push the subscribe button, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you, and have a great December 1st. Take care.